Welcome back for more bathroom demolition. Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia. So here's what we have here, and I can't figure it out. There's no power coming up here, it just goes into the wall, and it doesn't make any sense considering there's a perfectly good outlet with power right there. So when I look at where this goes into the wall, and I go around here, it roughly corresponds to like right about there, which you can see there's some tile there. But also there's the remnants of some electrical or wire clips stapled into the wall, and I sort of suspect that they didn't have power on the other side at some point, so maybe they just ran a cord out here and they plugged it in somewhere on this side. So they may have just abandoned that wire. The question then is, does this just disappear into the wall? And just to demonstrate, I tested that outlet up there, and there's nothing. There is 240 up there, and this one has nothing. I get no response at all. So it's dead. So where does this go? What does it do? Okay. I've got some slack here. So seriously, they just cut it off on the other side years ago and left this thing here. All right, well, at least we solved that mystery. Let's tidy up some of the protruding pieces that are kind of dangerous while we're here before we get to the sink. Got some nails poking out, a few other things. I'll be back in a minute. Hello. What's going on? Okay. Well, I'm just working on the house. Same old, same old. Okay. Well, if it's a nice day, get out. Get out of the house. Okay, buddy. Well, thanks for calling. I may talk to you later before I go to bed. All right, man. Later. Bye. So if you're wondering how the entrance is going to be into the toilet area, you should have figured it out by now. It's a watch your head situation, of which there are several in the house. I'll probably try and mitigate that a bit by creating an extra step and probably some grab handles there to make your entrance into the toilet a accident-free one. I wanted to tackle the sink next, but this is really loose and I don't want raining shards of porcelain tile coming down. As it is, this may all come crashing down as it's really not very stable at all, like that. So I'll do my best without, I mean, these things, they were plastered on, but you can see they were just, they used a mastic, which is not what you use on probably a lime base surface. Lime paint, probably. Either way, you don't stick tile on paint. So it held barely for, well, I'm not sure how long this would have been here. Oh, okay. This, on the other hand, feels relatively stable, but we will see. So I'll clean up all these shards and nails and stuff, and then we'll move on. Anyway, that's it for now. More to come. Thanks for watching. Am I on? Testing.